Yo guys, this is Rikki, and I'm coming to you from beautiful Southern California, but I'm in Agua Dulce, California. I'm at a place called Roller Flats. It's an off-road area. This is the Rockett Red Raptor, as you've seen in some of my other vlogs. And today we're gonna off-road properly. Taken it a little bit off-road, but today's like really off-road. Not so crazy because I don't have a backup, so if I get it stuck, I don't really have anybody, unless I run into somebody. If I run into some other guys, then I'm going to push it even harder. But we'll push it a little bit. I got my friend Johnny Salami here videotaping. Come along with us. Roller Flats, Southern California. It's low 50s. It's an awesome day. Let's take a ride. So some of you know that I had the first iteration of the Raptor. I sold it finally. I got a GMC, kept it a year, and just was not happy. And now I have the new Raptor. This has a different engine. The thing that's different about this is it has the 6-mode terrain management system, and I've never used that before, except to go up a couple of hills in my neighborhood. But this is going to be the day that I really try it. So I don't have to sit there and go manually in the 4-wheel drive. I can just like look at my terrain setting. I just want to see how much fun we can have in this thing. And that's why we're here. And that's why you have a Raptor, so you can have some fun. We're about to get off-road in about 3, 2, 1, go. We're off-road now. These shocks are improved. It's the 9-stage bypass dampening system from Ford. There's 13.9 inches of travel in the rear and 13 inches of travel in the front. A lot of guys will use a leveling kit. I haven't gone that far yet. The other thing is I have not aired down, which normally I do when I off-road. I normally air down to like 20 pounds maybe. Love this. My clean Raptor is going to be very dirty very soon. But ain't it sweet? That's what it's supposed to be, right? The interesting thing about how these shocks work and just how this truck is set up is if you notice right now I'm on a pretty just gnarly road is what it is, and it's just bouncing us all over the place, right? But then if you really take this up to speed, it like smooths right out. That's what's so amazing about how the way these shocks adapt. You're gonna get this view of me going down that hill. I didn't even spin a tire, I don't think. Now it's time to attack something else. Well, there's nothing like getting out to a dirty Raptor, but you know what? It's beautiful. It's so dirty, it's clean, you know what I mean? The thing performed outstanding. It just took everything I threw at it. 30-degree approach and the 23-degree departure angle really helped a lot on that big hill. The 6-mode terrain system on this thing is amazing. I didn't think I'd like it. I'm used to like manually doing everything. I thought I really missed the V8 in this. I don't. I love my Raptor. It's exceeded my expectations. I'm gonna wrap this up in just a second. We're gonna go get something to eat, take this through a hydro spray. So take care of each other, keep rock alive. So we're getting something to eat here.
Getting some scrapple and some shoe fly wine.
An apple pan dowdy.